bravo say be ono be ka say ono bravo e be ono be ka say be amen so obi wo ho no mo ono so no wo ye beef master
wo ye beefer
you find beefer
it will be fun on to beef then it will be beefing
Reggie Castle Shata was wishia with the far room place Reggie Rosto or reply Shata what is with the far room place
because we beef master If I be no you
as a
see a woman be pem ne osofu so e malamu o ye konfu o ye hwan me no obi anya samu beef ni bi ma mento ne ho ni body da na me nsan ko fa ni personal issue my me say ka tron no so but you know your master no me be kon otimi punch me sa wo sa na be da hwa na bi tie o punch me sa if you go say obi no ye beef master no say obi ni o punch no o kaso ni ye punches punch wow it no san obi tu fu say kaso a na say wonim say wonim beef kaso o wo kaso beef no stadium say beef no nya
aduma na ye hyehyɛ ba no
was stadium say akwa wonim beef no when kaso e be bo ne sa
so sa wontimi
ebi punch am o
sure we dey serious pa so brafo nya
na hwe obi dia metie ya okobo mi di kura ball no o so kura no me de se wasa be da mase
o wan de so bro na ye kan wonim se cars no sub zero anyum ne title no
sure
so wo hwe na o career na wudi a ene ko na hu obi ni
o se ata me bo am na so ba wudi a and there's a resurrection
eno nya ye o me na mi di watam class abeda mase na sa do 10k
na sa do 10k ba o kwa me hwe na se wo akotena ma no ne unya di obedi kwa me sa cho 1k
ena
and strong man medical
master o say ba ku o say refi mo na mo ye ifo o say ubenya kwa say highest
because obi bifu no wan reply ne betwem ne
na me say me na me sack ko say ena me hu so ye high beef master ka me mother
papa de oni ni bifu ne so ye high
hey ono so high hey
it will punch na we are punch
eno be kwa che
it ba ko crowd say me I will beat you so la ball physical
also the belt the belt also the punch
na say omo nipa me no
o me serious
so omo ya sofu o so omo ya malamu omo ya bloggers o omo ya konfu o omo be kwache wo say bloggers mienu omo ya ma bloggers mienu ana ma mienu oba no ya no mo kuhia ba ko bo ba ko ene mema nso wo mo hia no so mo kwa ba ko bo ba ko ni nyina ye atemdidie no enkwanto so o to ne ho ni me ensa no enkwanto so atemdidie ena wo to ne ho obi ko betima hwe wo se ahwe ne momma ne nanim ti se
kapem
China ya ka o China kapem
ti wo ba to wo sa
ye fansia
so we nim say
eti se no from ne kopem say Yesu beba no obi ni mayi me ho afri beef dem obi dia sam to no so da ma be yi me ho but what dey call
beef ni dia
make us me makra
ma because we egg
me ekosua me mra no me ponche me
akobo
o say
esa obobo egg
kosua dey say bebo ti me makra me mebi afi ne matias because so me ta ate say asimesi abo asimesi wantimi beef no ya bo no me say I don't know to me bono, not the materials. It's a punch in one Jaman
punch line.
And I may abum you. Me kai me the other abum me papa. And a kufobia abum you. Kufobia abum me. Bakai. Okay.
What?
I was abum me papa. That's why. That's what me say. Me have me go to me movie. Because me movie. I said yes be true. Me say, make you 1 week.
What now?
I said, make you crap up in a chair.
You know. What's the
1 week? I be not tell you what I'm doing.
That punch and
what you
Emako, pepper, a suruisa, a phone visa, and tia.
Let's be to airport.
You drew.
After see him, every yes, we say, Neira Bobrache. Neira Bobrache. Hey, For being punch.
Papa, beef really. So in terms of Sanka.
I was like, before match
me, medium in so.
Was it you planted the punch the band and by the second? Just so.
That's natural. I'm as well.
Listen, how we I need the menu pa. Make me do na me no mo kwan. Listen be fa nko.
Who did your love na salad this
year? I say one media pa me ko so. We yira mo bra chair. We yira mo bra chair. What's one punch me? Of course
deep.
Who's that?
A punch with deep.
There's a few one I was out for where you beef master. One can't say what me baby you. It was some. Let me just party my ye in the cars in fear. We are Bobra chairman. Go for be a beef master. This will be bad wanted the casse. Make me a beef master. I wasn't go for beating us. I wasn't go for beating us. I am a field. Yeah. Oh, about punch woman.
I'm not sure I'll do beef.
That's what we say. The guy here too. Sika. Yes, Allah.
Oh, go. We say who do go beef.
We say the guy here too. That's what we call. I'm not going to Sika. This any part we bet me na kwa do.
The hobby. Me taste.
Hey. You know me ko kasi e be kono 1 year me da wa be say 1 year.
1 year.
1 month to come and do me. 1 month to come and do me.
My God.
Hey, me wouldn't tell what come on, so say, you're going 1 year and 6 months. What's a mechanic about 1 year? Was say, wouldn't be on 1 year. Hey, after me tea beef and some, you know, a day.
My God.
Me,
beef.
Me who free.
Beef.
Some beef.
That's how they cross up from.
Me come. Me say me video we the fancy for fancy so be so me so Ghana ha na me ba se me be ye dey go fa so me be ye dey beef ye nyina ye nko ye be so se be ye dey beef ye be so se be ye dey beef e ge dey me ba you be me ho ano enye no kure le ko duru
tinam na kasa
dia na gira na memba
o ma wi o ma de
minti
beef in a day you upon chain a breachy beef. On say no it me bon so
and you obi bisa say I see odun katia ne Sir John
omo beef no
say
e try
ban ketia ha e se do ya odun ketia
na mosquito
me say me ye ponche me ma na see adie ana ju tuna me hwehwe me kwala blame pictures ana ju tuna me hwehwe me kwala blame pictures
okay kra
because obi
say me ji me kwala blame pictures
na say me ni how much tu na me hwehwe me kwala blame pictures afa me we na me kwa men na me say me hwehwe ya mane ba homache fo
wanya insomnia difficulty sleeping
me say me hwehwe picture mane ba homache fo punch ba ko pe me hwehwe me kwala blame picture kire say me ko komi tuntu na point bi ke say ni pass wada da da oh say ni po betimi na ko
wada kura
you go for my entire mo beef
David today na we na bas hey you pa na oni ni beef no jason
and the food
and the food
it will be catch them say obi ni o say nke ya si besi ni so fu asi besi obi catch them say o expect so fu asi besi
almost sa match on message omo aba mana baso
obi catch them say bishop anyo o say nke koye unua so fu we ni won no abu omo beef ni de ya ka be ye dem ko so bia no yi
say go continue
Baby for you. Ebi ntoda.
Bebre.
Ese me hwe me call bring pictures. Ahomache for them buso hwe.
Bebre. Sure.
O se me abo. Adia ba chira be ni ba twe doctor you ba say ya wudi dim se for say free so.
Angel is serious.
Very serious. Jai.
Wow, you can't say no do to dan.
Hey,
be a to.
Obo ma we beef master.
Yeah.
You be see a chatro, a tro na dia to so. The we be see a to ho no. Why you be try him kwa ho. Wo fa ma ye o eh. Who got a crowd of Jiraho? I think you never be something for another. You got money by them.
Oh my God.
I think you never told me got a crowd. What's in the garden? Who tell me?
Hello.
Hello. What was your punch? Punches. It's any point you catch them. They say we're winning match now.
Hands up.
We're winning. I was going to if only be creating if anything.
Belt no. Title belt.
Some call for almost meet our.
Yes.
Hey. Ya woni meter.
Ubia woni meter.
Ubia woni dia.
Ya woni meter. Ubia woni.
Ubia na no ye bi obehia me.
Achipalago akobia ne dia nsi.
Who say?
Achipalago.
Why there?
Akohia oni ne dia nsi.
Akohia ne dia.
Akohia ne meter. Wasene na no ode.
Obi ni fancy for mu pensuo. Mu pensuo na mi hira so.
Video bi amere.
Makai, me say, mo tiso bi di obi ni mo ho asem oba, mo am kasa papa, wo si beef no. Kojai. Woni mkunti enkoso so ne bebo. Hwe enura ase enura chi ka ase bi kire me. Wo si papa, wa wo mem, wo si kan, wo si wo kan, wo si papa, wa wo mem ma mienu ena ekontoko.
Yeah.
Waka.
Waka.
Shatawale ne sakodi. Dr. Imane Kache mo si papa, we de wa wo mem ma wo boss fo mienu. Empanifo me na opema ope omo asem ena omo kontu be ne den. Nam so mi wo mu mienu nyina number. Eti mi wo futu obi a mi nkotu omo fu social media.
Yeah, that is it.
Me me kasa wo social media say sakode obede. Obede.
To my niggas on the block.
Then
to my niggas on the block.
Yes.
You know what time it is.
Obede. Then enya fana bebe kan wo social media say sakode we me me pe wasem eti you ne Shatawale ntokwa ne yede twa so anase me be kan social media say Shatawale so ye me me eti wo so twa so wo so ye me e kan say pa
Oh yeah.
Ebisa wo bi so de ona ni mo terms
no pa na
SM for life.
SM for life enya fe na be kan social media say na me wi ama eye hypocrite.
Yeah, that's it.
DJ hypocrite ni say ebisa me wo mu mienu de
Numbers.
Yeah.
I'll between from individual.
I called them, they called me.
Yeah.
Minimum.
Yeah.
Minimum Shatawale nyime. When ye social media distance, when your personality wo mu minimum.
Yeah.
Sa called your personality minimum Shatawale sa. It is a me wo futu obi di ma wo mu a I will call them. Tina o ka chem say ja wo menfo mienu e ko titu wo mo fo na say metu wo mo fo na ye fon so. Say we de munua bema. E bia muntwa so.
Yes.
So ati ase.
Yes.
Anye social media na defa.
Yeah.
Ba moment ya obi beyi nanim. Muntie metwi no. Moment obi beyi nanim abekasa. Ama omu mienu baako. Say ni no. Who say the pano hypocrite? Because we didn't hear asem nim.
Yes. Yes.
Emuda ho.
Muda.
Omu mienu da nya asem. To wa be hura sim a wo be ka bi no. We are hypocrite. Emfa. Because we didn't any asem. Je ne di wo mu bia na wo so ma reply.
Yeah.
If you ever know to you me buy.
Okay.
The beef and let me confess actually me Ghana for ne abrochi fa muti me twi say beef obi ni me why den. Every mu obi en one man obi ni best start beef for me so.
Okay.
Nemo mon kai say obi di asem to me so a eno de meba be yi mi ho ano. Eno na me feel say no ye de beef. Eti me yi me ho ano de a me wie. Na for ko change no different beef ko ye mom yensa de na mo ka say obedi watem afa ko yi secret ya ebi asabi enya no kre ne nsem bi hunu bi bade a mitimi ko fa bi ma. Me nim obi personal issue e de ba. Because e china nko no ode ko gina court to say ni ya ebi a wo na wo information ni brem no wo ni evidence na wa ma me ho a chene me because gina court kwa na ye frɛ me ana me fa phone from say masa wo na brem info Sasi me ti say or ti say nti bra. Mami evidence e kire say what sa e bia court okra wo mba. Monfa mensam na make any serious.
Okay.
Mommy ensa na maka na mode ato mitrim. Say beef atem didie. Any will be personal issues. Any encounter so ni yemane mani nyina mane ye da.
Yes.
And the beef bi no me di akire bi. Nti beef no menka ho. Nti dia me ka so obi anti me nko beef wini no. Menka ho. Ba yi me ho afi beef ni.
Okay.
Me dey feel say beef ye. Wo bo tie no me se maamo. Wo papa me ko be bia maamo tie no. Nyankopon ni Yesu cry me dance for say maamo. Me dey feel say no ni beef no.
Wo kwa de nye beef wo ye me be yi me ho.
Eno ye me ba eno ye enye beef nemum eno ye fish.
Ana meat.
Ana
bia be eno ye beef eno ye egg kusua.
Ngozi okay.
Eno ye beef. Ba eno ye kusua. Egg. Be yi me ho no.
beef.
Ba beef no. Okay, entina omo gigi beef ho no. Ye wo mema ne megom gigi beef ho. Wo ya so we renew. Nigga so person just say o punch wo no. Wait man punch ni.
Sakra.
We di watem no wait me ni bi.
Okra o sakra and make references. Most of my in quote. But how punch with an no din o. One make you reference punch be a to ball.
Punch ya respect o the others go back punch ya chain.
Yes.
Me see omu twa me kasa we mfanto de bi de be defend me a. Omu de akoti ya me a say. Me see me feel say beef ne say obi di asem to so. Na be yi hu ano say enye no kre. Tell de nye beef ne ye kosua. Eno ye egg. And they say me wo egg side. They say me te say Dr. Yima ababonte wo obi nim. Wo na no kra wo wie sika. Na no kra me hu no oba bi wa ha ye me nya te say we ba me so wasa asem pe. Ni kwasa me hia no. Because eno ni beef no.
Yes.
Ma pembe bi a chena. Ana me boa. Hey wo bi nim. Sorry. We are kwasia we are we Jimmy. That's a message me could be. Who's we Jimmy and that's a me could be
Beef na beef no.
Yes.
Beef na
it
beef.
was about second. Whoa, what is it? Is a man maybe you are. We win me.
Beef no ka da intem.
Me ba like I say, on ba second na man maybe you are. We win me.
Yes.
And then the Matthias. And the Matthias, and you catch them. Say we be a win me. Matthias. Yeah. And the Matthias.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And I say obi timi catch so obi ni masi me say win you dia. And the Matthias.
Yes.
Because what they Sebi or they ebi encounter so buy another personal assembly no the way you be buy no and I say wahu o di watem no na was nka so kase bia wo so ma me ehu say wo papa hu say would that's another one man ka bia because ya bo we renew yes and the magia tu yes and I say me kwa beef me nim kunje wo say me twa so na obi anim say da me yere ka kire me na wo ha me kra wo nim beef nti wo no wo so ayede oh okay wo nim beef ko.
Oh, beef dear papa, we are so be an beef. Said you be cancer.
Blah. See the make in my menkasa. O say. Okay.
Who's gone?
Me ba. Asem won mo mbeka se me bo me yiri din. We nya boni o. Me nya se me che me yiri to. Enya se me che me yiri to. Me yiri Florence ka kire me se hani. Beef no won tie ase. Wonim ko. It will be cow castle. Na mo yere minim beef ko chen.
So sir.
O say.
So sir.
O so sir.
Beef.
Me ba tobo. Me say yes ni ma tobo. Me say me kasem. Me yere catch them say hani. O yere falling sa woni me no. Minim beef ko chen. Na me say sa was me. Say do ni me yere. O say me metimi atoto ho ama obesu. What you say? You guys will be two will be one.
Yes.
What you say? What's honey? And that beef from castle. What's a mere foreigners and me beef from me will be. 18 of me will be coming a man so because me cousin any papa only make beef now. Miss or Tommy hope you are not to be. But so for my media and say, oh yes, sir, it cut every shot. Beefy. Yeah. Was this one yes for mammy pa? Here come ma munim beef now. Where was I name in Lady Messin so sad? That's wow. Yeah. If you move to me for say, Obi come here, Nico say me yede. Me sauce because I beef no me yet.
Yes. You don't know how to beef.
E go for beef o. Me ti catch us say one not to say. Me sure would teach say.
So can dey be show.
O can dey be show. Can you be catch you Obi? Wo ho e kro. Na say oh. Who the crow no we. Just say hey.
Bia no yo. When nim to say car say.
Wo say
When him say car.
Nim say car.
And one kind.
Nana ma say when nim say China car pen.
Tina buyer.
Nana mama bra.
Pastor wisdom.
O catch why.
I'm saying that movie more so when nim say car China car.
Let's go for one beef from me here.
Oh yeah.
Pa.
O me do
And I make cow. Papa me beef food.
Me say
I can some farmer who made them come in trouble.
Eti mebo for atemdidie ne sa otu obi hu nya onu ye.
Papa me ni ye. Me ni pa me ni ye. Hey.
Na wo say.
Me too bia ma lockdown grab ka o.
Hey say we the best in beef. Wo say.
And the beef and kasala to da eno an de na ho ba.
Your foot. Okay.
To da eno an kasa de na ho ba.
Mami bia smoke. Is Kevin no crowd here. Beef camp. And you beef there. Taro, pow.
Okay. Enjoy there.
Ebe for say you show you for oro.
Let's say what your foot.
Did you
Papa, ye nipa. Beef.
There be no bia na. Say me so me nipa.
Papa, who know who na ni so ntia?
What is my
it's not, it's not part of him.
Asama make an won't timase.
What is me so me tiase? What is me no bi? What is me no bi ko ma say?
Unye.
We hwene sa mango da.
Papa onye bi da. Ana make say na ubisa me akire wo.
Me nim ya nkasa.
Sa na me
tiase. Ye school ni akire mu na ye boja.
Yesu e wo nipa.
Eno na so bo kan ya kan na ndi ni ho ba. Ndi ni ya wo ka reply na beba. Na bi furi ase dey.
Ese okofo baba no ya. Ye nka wo mo. Okay, next say example. Say we ye sofo. Ana we blogger. Ana we presenter. Ana we obi ya sofa no obi ya na no we ya. Obi ya ntumi na. Okohia we ya na no we ya. Obi timi ka se so hia o meter.
You have meet your meter.
Yes.
Okay.
It is a beef no.
We selling na no we ya.
Sa beef no.
The pencil a draw. Umu yo efegu umu yo. Ase go fin grace na.
E kan say no timi ma mumienu comment say se we hia o meter. Just say beef for me no.
Yes. Mo beef for me. Beef ne de beef
beefer. We are beefers.
beef de.
It's mo for no de.
O di ba.
Obo so Abraham ma hu ye.
Papa ne de me comment no e bia papa nyante mase. Se de nipa bia ye ka asem to so say ye no krose nye no eye o ya ubetima reply there. That is the beef.
But the daddy so can say you obi a so na betime.
Ono ka kem the gay side o.
Oh ache papa ache.
Several 10 years. What is me obi anya asem wo Ghana ha?
Unye bi da.
Meba. What is me obi anya asem wo Ghana ha? Personality. Me de wono ane body ni ba bia di na tem. Say bia wuti say wo hwene wani wo nan wo nsa why ham to say
okunkon sa be be.
Eno ye one. Eno na metu. Safe make say wo kra na anu kra no. Wo me ko fa na asem o. Na anu kra no. Yese na wo ne obi yere shaha na no kwa na yese no ne akola ba wa bi shaha yese na no kra na wo di tumu wo kra so ye gay wo kra na no kra obi wo what be that nim sa de ne ye eti musu ma kire me se eno na ma beef
eno ye element ni bia
ko ni je ne
bia enya no
beef nchene ene ho no se nye de wo de ye nye de
okay
eno ni ye element ni bia
eno na ma me ko ni je eno na ma abomu ni stew ne nkwan ne
e doso obi o ha on to mo sa o
ena sack ye bia lebron sack ye bia
so obi si atwetwe o
lebron sack ye bia Chris nso ye bia
na me kan
Chris dex ye bia
enti element ni doso
meba magana ko mo so o ma no we ya lebron sack ye bia
mo se me kra me show my o ma me won say
O ma na word.
o pa wo twiro obi ma me ka say anu word na delete fast ampa
ne pa no kan o kan yo se we ji
okay lebron sack ye bia Chris dex ye bia Kobe fireman, Kobe dealing with form. Who say?
You saw for Dixon Coffee show all the show.
Kobe fireman dealing with form. Me am a man.
I'm opening beef.
Jeremy also deal with form. The boys, but how to Chris sad. Hey, I saw my culture. What you did? But beef the BRD.
Papa, me say element no obi ashada ye menu ni kura no. O kan na no yi menu no o yi je ne bo.
Who say obaby timi to ni kunu ho ama ni kunu practical se me ga.
Da de be sini trim bia no. Boom. Ti beef de
hey, o me fi akwa bi at local address. Ene na me no wo no. Wo do. The friend say. Na no ya rough. All the tool we was buy na ya bo local Saboy. O tool we was omo movie review. Omo tool we was
me pacho eno no mo se enye suban. Ye nsua free school. Ye mfantete. Wo ye sure.
Eno na so voka bi aka. Eno na di ne ho ba. Me ma wu wi ni.
Eti me minti mi nsua.
David.
Ye nsua o.
Usua kra mo wa.
Enya se mo ye nsua anase ye nsua. Na se ewo nipam. Ewo mo na ewo mu.
Enjam se asamana me kana mu twama no. Ewo nipam ti ebi ni mu a ebi ni mu.
Na se me ebi ni mu.
Yes, papa, no na me punch but na pastor wisdom temase.
Maybe who free.
Aye.
Maybe who free.
Jamae.
Me yede.
Jamae.
Maybe who free.
Yes.
Eti mo pa mu nkama no kasa. Beef obi ni.
Unim. Ingredient no. Unim chene unim.
Obetu aponche akra so da akra ohun po se so da.
Enye santo pa no wu ntema.
Eh,
ka santo ni aja ko beef.
ke be serious ba.
Akaka hey.
Yemvensia.
Beef dey.
Okay. Okay.
Boy serious.
Eti e ka ho. Atem didie na wo to ne ho.
Ingredient no. Intwa to so mama nye bibi ma ne show. Beef crate.
Because I thought that what sometimes what the obi can to obi so a when I what tie chire kwatu ka say o we di.
Na me gay.
Meba. Enye se mu wo ho. Ye na ye tie chire no. Sometimes what nipa menu bi beef a o se we di nya no kre we di woni na nya ntokwa nti na wo ka to no so. What teams wo you should ya punch no.
That is it.
Se me ne wanya beef papa na
wo de
matamfo ni a wo betima be cha matamfo na de se nhye me keke.
Wahwe nipa menu beef a ato aso 1 week ya mu nyina twetwa video ababont ahwe mani da.
Papa.
Bo so mani masesa.
Me de me
beef
commission to follow beef. Beef.
Ehu. Ebi bu dia ba omu timi na.
Say ya.
Me say anajo no wutimi na.
Na.
O ba so anajo won na no prade do so obeka.
Ebeka. Chiro nyina.
Me dey for to the timeline. The one particular guy be the two of them na kanka. Dan me no comment. I forgot say be na money from na issue. I was the one to
beef are inbuilt to as a transformer machine and yes
me throw be different
esiumu eni a e ma capacitor cry beef na inbuilt
punch la no
Ghana fo ni bimu no ayo mo so no se ye pa no yiye ade me chiri sa hypocrite we me obien to me ntro messages kram fan me phone so say me pe anu yiye. What be kebi ache mo ye fucking person means no. What be send message kura dia fa me phone so say another be test ya kofa obi phone so another ko try to obi page ko try to baby say ye can say obi ka sem fa ye ho anya be ba reply no. What be try obi afa no obi nim kura no. I'm sorry to use this word for you. You are mad. And I make you are mad because the say what was that? Obi amedasu wo Yesu mu amen me free Yesu na ase no ana na mentina wo ma wo bi nkondem me Abraham wani da so sese ma ye boni mpo a eja ne betim ya ye dey ache me eti ko bi ka se ya po me no ma je atu obi ka se obi ni mewu no me se ma je atu obi ka say obi nim onsole bi osmagia tum Romans 8:34 say emo bi emuafo ebi say Yesu owu ye no sorry ye no wayifo di efri nipa so etu de so di Yesu achi a eni kwaso obi judge wo bio because wo ye bone na eja ne betim sa dia ye dey achewo exactly je Yesu woni be dey e be ba ho so eti sometimes eni kwaso ye tena man kofo bi di nsem bi atoto ye so abraye nim twrosem no mo pastors mo tell me can say and say mo bi kana wo ye din a na nipa ko no person o chese ko wonnim bible na ekuta no no be tu futu egu obi ni say yapo no no se magia bi say yapo me wo se sa na mo dia ya asofo ni bia na asofo ni bia ira hwe kumasi asofo ni bia bi sorry ye akra asofo e bi sorry ye omo toma no ogu sa de watwam na ebi kwa se kwa dia asofo ni bi wo Ghana ha ye from ye show me ye comedian pastors sofo no ate na asore no ye so ye comedian wo sofo ankofo de ato so ye comedian pastor no wo mie wa no nkasa ene ya condemn etu kasa kra ankofo mfa wo kanya mi asema ye mfa wo de so di Yesu achi no condemn they can say condemnation for you those who are in Christ Jesus me I just say me mfi me ka say me mfi